Atkins Civil 3D video series, STRM 3C-2, STRM profile, crossing pipes and labels. A. Display crossing pipes and profiles. B. Branch pipe and structure profile labels. C. Short length of pipe labels. D. Crossing and spanning pipe labels. E. Pipe invert labels. And F. Top of curb elevation labels at curb inlets. The cross-section of a sewer or water pipe that crosses a storm pipe should be displayed in profile so that the relationship between the two pipes can easily be shown. The Civil 3D displays a cross-section of a pipe in profile view at the location where it crosses an alignment. As such, miscellaneous alignments are required for a pipe in order to show the cross-section of any crossing pipe in profile. The drawing plan view shows the area where the RC box in Kincaid crosses a sewer pipe. A miscellaneous alignment has been created and the RC box is shown in profile view. Display the crossing sewer pipe in profile view. Pick the sewer pipe in plan view. Make a note of the pipe name shown in Properties palette. Sewer pipe P1052. Move cursor and right click. Select Draw Parts in Profile View. Pick the name of the storm pipe profile view. The top and bottom lines from start to end for the section of sewer pipe will be shown in profile view. To display the pipe as a cross-section at the location where it crosses the storm pipe, the current sewer pipe style needs to be changed to a crossing style. This needs to be done as an override in the profile view properties. If the style is changed using normal pipe properties, it will affect the display of the sewer pipe shown in all other profile views. Pick the profile view, move cursor and right click, profile view properties, pipe networks tab, select the appropriate sewer pipe, P1052. A check mark with yes is shown in the draw column. In the style override column, pick not overridden. Select the pipe style, C sewer cross. OK. Apply. OK. The sewer pipe cross section at the location where it crosses the storm RC box is shown. Generally, when pipes and structures are initially drawn in profile view, description labels are automatically created. However, for branch pipe and structures, the description labels need to be created after the parts are drawn in profile view. Prior to creating description labels, any current description label in a profile view needs to be deleted. If not deleted, duplicate description label will be created for the pipes and structures. Annotate ribbon, add labels top part, feature, pipe network, label type, entire network profile, pipe label style, C storm profile, structure label style, C storm profile, crossing pipe label style, none. Crossing pipe labels will be added later where needed. Depress add. Select a part in profile view. All structure and pipe labels are automatically added. Add. The pipe description label style contains a type, size, length from inside wall to inside wall, and slope in a single line. Several C-Storm profile pipe description styles are available. There's a C-Storm profile 2-line, C-Storm profile 2-line with leader. There's also C to C, which is the length from center of structure to center of structure in lieu of inside wall to inside wall. To modify a short pipe description label, pick the pipe label. In Properties palette, pick the current label style. Select the desired style from the drop list. C-Storm profile 2-line with leader. Pick the square glyph and move to desired location. Escape. To add crossing pipe labels in profile, annotate ribbon, add labels icon top part, feature, pipe network, label type, single part profile, pipe label style none, structure label style none, crossing pipe label style, 2 styles to pick from, C sewer cross without leader or C sewer cross with leader. Select the C sewer cross without leader, add, pick the pipe, escape, pick the label, move to desired location, escape. To add spanning pipe labels in profile, erase the current pipe labels. Enter, start the erase command, pick the pipe labels to be erased. Enter, escape to stop command. In the Add Labels dialog box, feature, pipe network, label type, spanning pipe profile. Select the STRM profile center to center 2 line, add. As prompted, pick the first pipe. Pick each subsequent pipe. Enter. Select the location along the pipe for the location of the label. Escape. Pick the label. Use the glyphs to move the label to desired location. Escape. Create pipe invert labels as structures. Annotate ribbon. Add labels top part. Feature. Pipe network. Label type. Single part profile. Pipe label style. Atkins has created several pipe invert label styles. Invert in line extension, in reverse line extension, start line extensions, start reverse line extension. Select invert start, add, pick the pipe. The label is created and displayed at the center line of the pipe. Label style, invert in, add, pick the pipe. The pipe in invert is created and displayed. Escape, pick the label, pick the diamond glyph and move to the start. Move the other label to the end. Change the label styles to line extension. Pick the start. Invert start line extension. Leave the other label as created. Select invert in, reverse, add, select the pipe. Select other pipes, escape. Invert start, reverse, add, pick the pipe, and pick the pipe. Escape. Pick the label, move to the end of the pipe, pick the other label and move to the start of the pipe, and repeat for the other pipe. Escape. At locations where a pipe is to join an existing pipe, pick the label, move cursor and right-click, edit label text, create a new line, and enter field, verify. OK. Escape. Add invert start label, add, pick the pipe in profile, escape. At times, the pipe invert labels are displayed with the correct elevation but in the wrong profile view. For some unknown reason, this occurs quite often. When this occurs, pick the label, pick the square glyph, and move to the desired location. Escape. Tweak the location of a profile view. The grid elevation labels for the profile view at 17+10 are outside the border and need to be relocated to inside the border. Pick the profile view name, move cursor and right-click, profile view properties, stations tab, enter 870, apply. The grid elevation labels have been moved to inside the border. There needs to be a little more space between the profile view label name and the profiles. Elevation tab, minimum elevation, enter 443. The profile view needs to be moved downward so that the 5-foot elevation labels are on a horizontal grid line. Pick the profile view, pick the insert grip at the left end of the axis, move vertically downward and enter 8, which is 2 feet at a 4:1 vertical exaggeration scale. Escape. The top of the curb inlets are not level but conform to the road top of curb grade and to the 2% parkway slope. TC elevation labels need to be shown in profile for each side of the curb inlets to assist in the construction of the inlet top. Annotate ribbon, add labels icon, top part, feature, profile view, label type, station elevation label style. 2 styles are available. TC without station above for labels on the left side of the structure, and TC without label below for labels on the right side of the structure. Select TC without label above, add as prompted, pick a profile view grid line or a profile view name. For the station, select the top of curb at the left edge of the curb inlet. For the location of the label, pick top of curb at the left side again. And for the elevation component, pick the top of curb a third time. Without depressing escape, pick the top of curb at the edge of the other inlets on the same side. Depress escape when finished. Repeat for labels on the opposite side of the curb inlets. Top of curb without station below. Add. Pick the top of curb. Profile. Pick additional locations. Press escape when finished. Move the labels to clear the structure description label. Pick the label, pick the square glyph, move to a clear area up and away from the structure label. Repeat for the other labels. Escape when finished. The current top of inlet structure is at the center of the inlet, which is above the top of curb. Move the top of structure to the top of curb. Pick the structure. Pick the triangle glyph and move to the top of curb. Repeat for all curb inlets. Escape. There is a conflict between the sewer pipe and storm pipe in 49th South. There will be a water line that will have to cross over the storm pipe in this area, which restricts the storm pipe from being raised. The new sewer manhole needs to be moved approximately 25 feet to the south in order to lower the sewer main. This needs to be done in the sewer improvement drawing. Open the sewer improvement drawing. Select open. Scroll down to sewer improvement drawing. Open. Create two horizontal viewports. View. Pan and zoom to location of the sewer main in the plan view and in the profile view. Draw a 20-foot radius circle with the center at the manhole. Enter to start the circle command. Zoom in. Center is at the center of the manhole. 25, enter. Pick the short connected pipe and use the center square glyph to move the pipe to beyond the circle. Pick the manhole and use the center square glyph and move to the intersection of the circle with the existing sewer pipe and pick. Move the short section of pipe and reconnect to the manhole. Escape. Pick the C sewer pipe. Move cursor and right click. Pipe properties. Pipe slope. Hold in. 0.4. Enter. Apply. OK. Pick the existing sewer pipe. Move the pipe in associated with the relocation of the manhole. Repeat for the EX sewer demo pipe. Modify the sewer profile in the vicinity of the revised manhole. Move the short length of C sewer connection pipe to coincide with the EX sewer pipe. Escape. View ribbon. Select single viewport. Zoom to extents. Save drawing. Save. Yes. Replace the existing. And close sewer drawing. The storm improvement drawing has a note to synchronize due to the changes in the de-rest sewer improvements. In lieu of synchronizing, it is easier and faster to save and reopen the storm improvement drawing. Save, yes, close, select close. Open the storm improvement drawing. Note that the sewer manhole on the east side of 49th South is now shown south of the storm improvements, and the sewer cross-section is no longer shown in profile. Pick the C sewer pipe and plan. Make a note of the name P1058. Move cursor right-click. Draw parts in profile view. Pick the pipe network profile view name. The section of pipe is shown in profile from start to end. Modify the display for a cross-section. Pick the profile view name. Move cursor right-click. Profile view properties. In the pipe networks, select the desired sewer pipe name, P1058. In the style override column, pick C sewer cross. OK. Apply. OK. The C sewer cross section is shown in profile with plenty of clearance. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.